guys, it's Amanda. I'm gonna show you how I made this Pinterest inspired DIY outfit. It was really easy. I literally pieced a few different outfits that I ordered online together. The inspiration was that I just turned 30 and I was going for mourning my youth but making it fabulous. So if you're looking to do this type of look, I'm gonna show you how. Just keep watching. Okay, this is the Pinterest inspiration of mini that I had on a board, but as you can see, it's basically a lingerie with a tutu attached. So I started off with this bodysuit that I ordered off of Shein.com. It didn't come with a little black bra underneath. It was completely see-through, so I just paired it with a regular black bra that I already had. And then at the bottom, I also ordered this two-piece lingerie suit from Shein, and I just put the shorts that come with it over the leotard that I showed you before. And last, I got this cute tulle skirt from Walmart.com. I could not believe it was $16 because this is what made the whole look a look. So it comes with an elastic band all the way around the waist, and the tulle skirt actually only covers the back, so you just pull it up over your waist like a skirt and let everything flow beautifully behind you. Now this crown I got on Amazon.com and it was less than $7, and let me tell you, the quality was like it was something 5 times the price. Actually, I think I'm going to show you a live video of it. I am obsessed with the amazing quality of this tiara for less than $7. Perfect. And when you put it all together, you get this 30, flirty, and thriving look. You can wear this really for any type of appropriate occasion. But yeah, that was my 30th birthday Pinterest inspired look. Thanks for watching.